Hiya. Right, so after that video 3, we're going to cover the trousers for the rally suit. This will be a short video because there's not many features in the trousers. Okay, so undo the box, and the trousers, an instruction manual, and how to look after it, some spare poppers and buckles and things like that. Okay, that's it. So here we go. First thing is you've got to try it on. I know everybody says that, but I'm this size jacket, so the trousers. Give you an idea. I am a 54 in the jacket and a 56 in the trousers. Now, I'm not that big a person, but I have big thighs from playing sports, and that was my issue. It wasn't my waist size, it was the thighs. I have this issue when I buy any trousers, jeans and things like that. So what I will say is, go and try it on, and don't worry about mix and matching the sizes. They expect that. Alright, so when I went, I told them to get me 55 suit and a 54 suit, and I just swapped it over and they were fine. Okay, trousers. Exactly what it says in the tin. It goes with the actual jacket itself. Features I liked was the inner leather part, so that when you're on the bike and it grips the tank to assist you. Alright, so it's got leather in the inner thighs from the knee all the way down to the shin. The belt, it's a proper decent belt. Clips, and then you can adjust it, pulling it side to side. Alright, I like that belt because when you wear the trousers without the jacket and you're walking about the town, you don't want the trousers falling down. Okay, it's got 2 pockets, one on either side. Simple Velcro open. That's as deep as it goes. And then in the front of the pocket is ventilation. So that when you're riding along, as I say, if I was wearing the trousers now, you're riding along, ventilation open, going to keep your legs cool. Okay, same on that side, the ventilation, and the other pocket. It's got armour on the hip, right here. There's your armour on the hip bone, and armour from the knee all halfway down to the shin. Okay, so there's the front of it, and the back. Inside you've got waterproof, it can be removed, undoing the zip all the way around. What I like about the front is we've all been riding, sitting there on the bike, the water's gathered in between your groin and that always gets wet, it'll eventually seep through. So what they've done is like doubled it over, so when you actually do up your trousers, at the front and the inner part there's 2 layers of waterproofing, which is good. Concentrate on the bit, the actual waistband. It's a loop, so to do it up, it's a hook and loop. But remember that, because that to me always reminds me that it's a press stud button, but actually it's a hook and loop. And I've done it before where I think it's a press stud, you go to pull it and actually you bust it, so be careful with that. It's a hook and loop, then a normal zip, and that's you done up. The belt for adjusting it. I've seen people with braces, I don't like the braces idea. The 40mm, can you see that? 40 centimetres, sorry. 40 centimetre connection zip from the jacket to the trousers. Okay, so that's the trousers. You've got another pockets just at the waist itself. They're really short. Okay, so in total 4 pockets, 1 on each leg and 1 at each waist, just like a trouser pocket. I was asked a question in one of the forums about the trousers fitting over a certain pair of boots. Obviously I can't comment on the actual boots that the guy asked me to review, But what I can comment is what I like about the bottom. It's Velcro. So as you see there, it's a Velcro fasten straight down there, and there's 2 levels, which is good because there's it opened wide. I'm sure you can adjust it to fit around any off-road motorcycle boot. Remember, they have been designed for that, so I don't see if I see any issue. It's not like a zip bottom where there's no give. These have got the give and the adjustability. Okay. Alright, so that's it. That's my quick review on the GS 2018 Rallye trousers. Alright, any comments, any problems, any dramas, give me a shout. Bye.